Tired of endless paperwork and waiting for documents? Let's jump into how Docusign PowerForms can streamline your process with self-service document generation. First, you'll receive a link to the PowerForm. This link can be shared through email, embedded on a website, or sent via text message, making it super accessible. Click the link and you'll be directed to the PowerForm. Notice the fillable fields. These are the areas where you will enter your information. Start by clicking into the first field and entering the requested information. Common fields include your name, email address, and any other relevant details needed for the document. Continue filling in all the required fields. Pay close attention to any fields marked with an asterisk or other indicator, as these are usually mandatory. Once you've completed all the fields, locate the signature field. It's usually clearly marked with instructions like click to sign. A window will appear prompting you to adopt a signature. You can either type your name, draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your signature. After adopting your signature, click the Sign or Adopt and Sign button. Your signature will then be applied to the document. Finally, review the entire document to ensure everything is accurate. Then click the Finish button to submit your signed PowerForm, and that's it. You've successfully completed a Docusign PowerForm.